Hello everyone. This video is brought to you by Jia Online Education. In this video, we will learn about chemical reactions and equations. So let us start the video. Let's have some examples of chemical change. What is a chemical change? When milk is left at room temperature, it gets converted into lactic acid. This is because milk contains lactose. In presence of bacteria, this lactose get fermented into lactic acids. So this is an example of a chemical change. Iron tawa nail, if left exposed to humid atmosphere, what will happen to it? It get corroded. During corrosion, the upper layer of the metal get destroyed because it get converted into its oxide in presence of oxygen. So, the conversion of a metal into its oxide is again an example of chemical change. Grapes get fermented into wine. This is again a natural process, an example of a chemical reaction. Food is cooked, again a chemical change. Food gets digested in our body. Yes, this is an endothermic process. This process requires large amount of energy. So this is again a chemical change. Respiration. Respiration is an exothermic process. During respiration, body releases large amount of energy which is used for useful work done. So this is again a chemical change. So in all the above situation, the nature and the identity of initial substance have somewhat changed. For example, milk is converted into lactic acid, iron get corroded, grapes converted into wine, that is the phase is changed. Here also the phase of food is changed. Respiration is an exothermic process. So in all the conditions, the nature and the identity of the initial substance have changed. So this is a chemical change. So let us start the definition. Whenever a chemical change occurs, we can say that a chemical reaction has taken place. What is a chemical reaction? A process in which one or more substance, that is the reactants, are converted to one or more different substance, that is the product. So in a chemical reaction, the reactants get converted into the product. So chemical composition is changed. A chemical reaction rearranges the constituent atoms of the reactant to create different substances as products. What does it mean? It means that in a reactant, all the atoms of the elements they rearrange themselves to form new product. So this is a chemical reaction. Whenever a chemical reaction takes place, there occurs a chemical change. Let us learn more about the chemical change through the activities given in NCERT book. Let us read the activity first. Clean a magnesium ribbon about 2 cm long by rubbing it with sandpaper. Hold it with a pair of tongs. Burn it using a spirit lamp or a burner and collect the ash so formed in a watch glass. Burn the magnesium ribbon keeping it as far as possible from your eyes. Now what do you observe? So in this activity what we have to do? We have to take a metal, that is magnesium, and we have to burn it using a spirit lamp or a burner. Since magnesium is a metal, it will readily oxidize to form magnesium oxide. So here in this activity, the metal have changed its phase from solid to oxide, that is gaseous phase. Observations. You must have observed that magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame and changes into a white powder. This powder is a magnesium oxide. So here the phase change have taken place. It is formed due to the reaction between magnesium and oxygen present in the air. So here solid magnesium is converted into oxide. So this is an example of a chemical change. Whenever we observe phase change, then it means that it is a chemical change. Now let us learn second activity. Take lead nitrate solution in a test tube. Add potassium iodide solution to this. What do you observe? Initially, the color of the solution is white, but after the addition of lead nitrate, the color becomes yellow due to the deposition of lead iodide. So in this activity, what we have to do? We have to take two solutions. Number one, lead nitrate, and number two, potassium iodide. So what will happen? This nitrate ion is displaced by the iodide ion. So new product is formed, which is known as lead iodide. Also here, the color change is observed. Initially, the color of the solution is white, whereas after the reaction, the color becomes yellow. So the color change is due to the formation of a new compound, that is lead oxide. So this is again a chemical change. Now let us take an example of third activity. Take a few zinc granules in a conical flask or a test tube. Add dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid to this. Handle the acid with care. Do you observe anything happening around the zinc granules? Touch the conical flask or test tube. Is there any change in its temperature? So what we have to do in this activity? We have to take a metal zinc, and this is then treated with any acid, hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. So what will happen? Whenever a metal reacts with an acid, it forms respective salt and releases hydrogen gas. So we will observe hydrogen gas evolving around the zinc granules. So what are the observations? When acids reacts with zinc granules, bubbles are seen around the zinc granules. These bubbles are due to the liberation of hydrogen gas. And this is the characteristic feature of a metal. So this will be the chemical reaction. Zinc solid, when treated with dilute H2SO4, it will form salt, that is zinc sulfate, and releases hydrogen gas. This is the characteristic feature of a metal. Also, the temperature of the flask increases. Reaction between an acid and a metal is highly exothermic in nature. Thus, this is an exothermic reaction. So, this reaction is exothermic in nature, so it is a chemical change. This is representing that it is a chemical change. New product formed, this is again a chemical change. And the evolution of gas, again a chemical change. Overall, this activity describes us the chemical change. Now, from all the three activities, what we have learned? Activities suggest that a chemical change is observed by any of the following, that is, change in state. Whenever we observed state change from solid to liquid, or from liquid to gas, or from gas to solid. So such type of phase change, if we observe, then it indicates that chemical change has been taken place. Change in color during the reaction, as we have observed it in lead nitrate activity, where the solution have shown the color change from white to yellow. Evolution of gas during the reaction. Whenever a metal reacts with acid, the hydrogen gas is liberated. So evolution of gas is again an indication of a chemical change, as we have seen in the activity. In the same activity, we have also observed the temperature change, that is, the temperature has been increased. So increase or decrease in temperature indicates the chemical change. Thank you.